in a seated position. So you can either find a place on your mat or sit in a chair if that's more comfortable for you. Take a moment to settle in. Let your shoulders drop, let your body relax, and let your eyes close. Once your eyes have closed, bring your attention to your breath. Inhaling deeply and exhaling slowly. Breathe in through the nose and feel the breath drop into the lower belly, expanding the diaphragm, the chest, and the lungs. And on your exhale, just let your breath flow out slowly and naturally. With every inhale, we can sit up a little bit taller, letting the spine grow. And with every exhale, we can let the muscles surrounding the spine drop down, letting the forehead, eyebrows, and cheeks soften. The shoulders are becoming heavy, and the legs relax. Continue breathing deeply, filling up your body with oxygen, and exhaling slowly. With every exhale, letting those muscles relax. If the face has tensed up, let it drop. If the shoulders are hunching, let them go. One more deep breath. On your exhale, let everything relax. You can open your eyes. From here, we're going to do a few shoulder rolls. So letting the shoulders come up, back, and down. The goal here is to explore the range of motion of your shoulders. So letting them come up as high as they can, go as far back as they can, and go as low as they can. Continuing to breathe while you do this, inhaling up, exhaling down. Good. We'll go one more time, inhaling up and exhaling down. Good. Let your shoulder blades rest in this low position. We'll take the arms to the sides and we'll inhale the arms all the way up, circle sweeping, stretching the spine. On our exhale down, we'll do cactus arms, so bending at the elbows, pulling the arms back, opening the chest. Exhale. Good. One more time. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, cactus arms down. Open the chest. Let it go. Good. From here, let's work our way to our tabletop position. So coming to hands and knees in whatever way is comfortable for you. For our tabletop pose, we place our hands directly below our shoulders, spread out the fingers, and place the knees below the hips. Now let's go ahead and have our toes rolled under for this next exercise. And we'll do some cat-cows here. So for our cow position, we start with an inhale, drop the belly, raise the head and the tailbone, and press through the hands. For our cat, we exhale, round the spine, tuck the chin to the chest, and tuck in the tailbone. Exhale here. Inhale your cat, opposite motion, arching the back, long neck here. Exhale your cow, rounding the spine, pressing through the fingers. Good. Go ahead and do this a few more times, just at your own pace. Inhaling your cow, exhaling your cat. Good. On your next exhale, find your way back to your neutral spine, your tabletop pose. And we're going to start to activate the core a little bit. So, placing the hands meticulously, continuing to press through the fingertips. We're going to start with the left leg. So, right away, we're going to lift this leg off the mat and kick back, kicking through the heel. Toes are pointed down, and notice right away if your hip wants to drop. Being aware of that and keeping that hip up, pressing through that left hand, holding here and breathing for 3, 2, 1. On your exhale, slowly let it go. Good, we'll go ahead and do the other side, right side once again. Anticipate that hip wanting to drop. Let that be in your awareness, and then we'll kick that right leg back. Toes are pointed down, kicking through the heel. Nice activated leg from the quads all the way down to the toes. Take a breath here, making sure those hips are parallel to the mat, pressing through the hands. You got it. Hold it here for 3, 2, 1. On your exhale, slowly let it go. Nice job. And we'll do it one more time on each side, but we'll add a little bit of a movement to it. So, kicking that left leg out one more time, keeping the hips and shoulders parallel to the mat. If you want to challenge, feel free to raise the right arm, the opposite arm here, and we can start to flow. So, imagining there's a little glass of water on your back, don't spill it. We're going to bring the knee and the elbow in towards the center. Inhale, coming out. Exhale, contracting in. So again, like a little glass of water on your back, we want to keep the spine and the core very still here. Good, almost done. If this is getting too hard, place your hand down. That's just an option. Almost there. Good, on your inhale, expand out. On your next exhale, let it go. Take a rest if you need it. Otherwise, we're going to start on the next side. So, right leg kicks out, toes pointed down, leg is engaged here. Hips aren't dropping, we're nice and parallel to the mat. Add that left arm lift if that feels comfortable for you. And we're going to start to flow. So, exhale, contracting, bringing everything in. Inhale, expanding, reaching out. Good. Exhale, contract, bring it in. Inhale. Opening up. Good. Keep this going at your own pace. Pressing through that standing hand if you have this left arm lifted. A few more times, you got it. Inhale out. Exhale. Let it go. Nice job. We're going to bring the two big toes together, tops of the feet on the mat. We'll spread the knees out wide and take a child's pose. So sit the hips back, rest the head down. And we'll take a few deep breaths here. Inhaling, notice where you feel the breath in your body. When you exhale, notice your body getting heavier. As you continue to breathe, keep your focus, keep your attention on where you're feeling that physical breath in your body. You might feel it at your nostrils, or you might feel your chest and your belly expanding and lifting you. But wherever you feel it most obviously, that's where we're going to place our attention. Keep it there. A few more deep breaths. And feel free to stay here as long as you'd like. When you're ready to come up, you can walk the hands back, lift your body. Take one more deep breath to let it all go. Thanks for watching.